Rectangular A has sides of length x centimeter and 2x minus 4 centimeter. Rectangular B has sides of x plus 1 centimeter and 5 minus x centimeter. Rectangular A and B have the same area. Find the value of x. Correct to say three significant figures. Let's say this is a rectangular and same area another rectangular. Okay, so here it's a A and it's a B. Let's say this one is a x centimeter, so this one also x centimeter, and this one is a 2x minus 4 centimeter. Similar, this one also 2x minus 4 centimeter. Why? Because we know rectangle opposite sides are equal. So same thing, B rectangle, here is a x plus 1, this one also x plus 1, and same this one is a 5 minus x, and this one is a 5 minus x. Okay, so very simple thing. So we can write like now, given rectangle A sides which is x centimeter and 2x minus 4 centimeter. So area, it will be multiply, it means x times 2x minus 4 centimeter square. Okay, so this is a equation 1. Again, rectangle B sides, one is x plus 1 centimeter, another one is 5 minus x centimeter. So area will be, area it will be x plus 1 times a 5 minus x centimeter square. Okay, very simple. Now here is mentioned rectangle A and rectangle B have the same area. So according to the condition, we can write x 2x minus 4 equals to x plus 1 times 5 minus x. Okay, it's a, because area are same, so we can write x times 2x minus 4 equals to x plus 1 equal times 5 minus x. Now we will expand this one, so we can write 2x square minus 4x equals to, here is a what, here is 5x minus x square plus 5 minus x. Okay, so everything we will be transferred to left side. So finally we can write 2x square minus 4x, here is a 5x minus x, it means 4x, so here will be minus 4x, and minus x square become plus x square, and plus 5 become minus 5, and finally this one is equals to 0. Okay, so very simple. Now it will be like 2x square and x square, 3x square minus 4x minus 4x 8x, and this one is a 5 equals to 0, right? I hope it's a very simple thing. Now use the quadratic formula, we can get, or if you want we can solve this one by 3 times 5. It's a 3 times minus 5 equals to minus 15. So it will be what, if you want to write like 5 times 3 is a 15, so minus 5 minus 3, look, minus 5 times minus 3, it's become plus 15, so it's not possible to solve simple factorization. That's why we will use the quadratic formula. Okay, so quadratic formula, x equals to, we know, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So here here a means what? It's a coefficient of x square, it means 3, b equals to minus 8, and c equals to minus 5. Now we will implement this one to this equation. So we change our worksheet. Now we will implement this one. So minus b is a minus 8, b is a minus 8, so minus times minus 8 plus minus root over minus 8 square minus 4 times a means 3 times c means minus 5, and it's over root, and 2 times a means 3. So finally minus and minus, it will be plus, plus minus root over 8 minus 8 square is a 64, minus and minus, it will be plus, 5 times 4 is a 20, 20 times 3 is a 60, right? So and here is a 6, and finally this is a 8 plus 64 plus 60, it's a 124, root over 124 divide 6. So here is a plus minus 8 plus minus, we can simplify like this, root over 124, it's become what? 11.136, 11.136 divide 6. So here is a two thing, one plus, another one is a minus. So we can write like, if positive, then x equals to 8 plus 11.136 divide 6. So it's a 19.136 divide 6. So finally we get 19.136 divide 6. So this one is a what? 3.189. This is a 3.189. It should be approximate because our question mentioned correct to 3 significant figures. So this is the 3 significant figures and it should be approximate. Another one, if negative, then x equals to 8 minus 11.136 divide 6. So we can use calculator. So first 8 minus 11.136. So this one become 3.136 divide 6. And finally we get minus 0.523, minus 0.523. This is our answer. So we are trying to solve step by step. I hope you understand this one. It's a very important math. Rectangle type quadratic equation is very important. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel, which is MathJip. Thank you.